Do you agree or disagree with the facts?
I agree.
Feel anything needs to be changed or added to the facts?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand you're entitled to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that during a jury trial, the state has the burden of proving your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you would have the right to confront and cross-examine the state's witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Call your own witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Present any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
And challenge any statements as well as remain silent, and your silence could not be used against you. Do you understand each of those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you're giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if you desire the trial, that the court stands ready to accommodate that request, and we have a panel coming in for that purpose?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any deals you're relying on that I've not been told about? Are there any secret deals you've made between your lawyer and the state that the court is not aware of that you're relying on in pleading guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Have you been satisfied with your lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he done everything you've asked or expected?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any complaints about his services?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced you?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily and of your own will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you understood my questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you need to ask any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Have you been truthful?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have the right to appeal each guilty plea and sentence of the court?
Yes, Your
Do
Honor.
you understand that you have to do that within 10 days of today in writing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if you cannot afford an attorney for that process, that one will be appointed to you at no cost?
Yes, Your Honor.
I find there's a substantial factual basis for each plea, that each plea has been entered freely, voluntarily, knowingly, and intelligently with the advice and assistance of counsel with whom the defendant has indicated she is satisfied. I will accept the plea. Anything further from the state? And I did not notice, oh, actually I do notice now, I apologize. I thought I didn't see the other two victims' names, I'm sorry.
Your Honor.
And I assume, based on, and I neglected to ask this earlier, and I apologize for my oversight, I assume that that on indictment ending in 3982, which is the felony DUI with death, I assume that Ms. Hutchinson's